Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you Gujarati delicacy. This is known as Methi Muthia. It is in Marathi called Methiche Mutkure and in English it is called as fenugreek balls or ovals. Let us see the ingredients required for Methi Muthia. As the name suggests, I have taken 2 cups of very finely chopped fenugreek, fresh fenugreek. Then I have taken bati atta, batika flour, half katori, wheat flour half katori, rice flour half katori, gram flour half katori. Then this is the paste of 5 garlic pods, 2 green chilies and 1 inch ginger. Then I'll be taking 2 teaspoons of turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons of salt and 1 ladle of oil. And I'll be kneading the dough along with the water. Now let us mix all these together. Into this 2 cups of finely chopped fenugreek, I'm adding half katori of coarse bati atta, then plain wheat flour, rice flour and gram flour or besan. To it I'll be adding 2 teaspoons of turmeric powder and 2 teaspoons of salt. And finally to it I will add ginger garlic paste. Okay, and I will add to it 1 ladle of oil. And I will knead the dough. First I will mix all these together and I will add the water as it is required. Now the dough is ready. See how soft it is. Now before I start rolling the balls and all, I would like to tell you all that this methi muthia can be best eaten after frying. But today I am showing you that first I will steam them and then I will fry them. Now why steaming? Some people are on a diet plan. They don't feel like having, or the heart patients, they don't have to eat fried muthias. So for them, steamed muthias are very good. So now I will start rolling the balls and the ovals. I will take a small portion of the dough. Before that, I will grease my hand so that it doesn't stick to my hand, and I will roll the balls like this. It should be very smooth. See, like this balls are to be prepared. Each time I have to grease my hand. I'll take another small ball portion. I will roll it like this. Now I will show you how to make ovals. Same portion you take, make a round ball and then slowly you make it into the oval shape like this. Now like this I will prepare all the ovals and balls. Hello, now my mutiyas are ready. See, I have made different sized mutiyas, triangular, square, oval, round, and this is with the fingers, some impression of fingers. Now, as I told you, this is a very good snack for all those who are suffering from diabetes, those who are on a weight loss. But now this is ready. You can eat them directly by frying. But today I'll be showing you to steam them first and then you can fry, or you can eat just like that also. So I have taken this container and I have already greased it. And into this I'm going to keep all these my mutiyas, and then I'm going to steam them into this steamer, which is a homemade. I have taken a utensil in which I have kept a water. It is already boiled. Now into this I'm going to steam all my mutiyas. See, I'm keeping all them. Take care that you have to grease this pot first, otherwise they will stick. And this muthiya is the part of Gujarati cuisine called undio. These are to be used into it by frying these muthiyas. So now you know what are the muthiyas used in undio. Now I'm keeping this pot onto this and I'm going to cover it with a lid, and I'm going to steam it minimum for 20 to 25 minutes. Now I have steamed these muthiyas. Now as I told you that these muthiyas are used in a Gujarati plate called, or a vegetarian dish called undio. Undio is nothing but it is a mixture of different vegetables and different roots, and they are cooked using lot of oil. But today I am showing you muthiya which are steamed and then fried. This can be the best side dish for the people who are having a hot drinks. This can be a very good dish. Now let us fry some of them. I have already kept some oil on the gas to get heated, and now I'll be adding some of my muthiyas to fry. I'm keeping the gas flame to the lowest so that they can cook right in, because they have to become crispier and not just to be fried from out. They have to be crispier from in. So that is why I'm keeping the gas to the lowest so that they can be cooked and fried right up to inside. And they should be fried till they turn golden brown. See how nicely they are becoming. Wow, yummy they are looking. They have to be browned. They have to be fried till they turn golden brown. Hello everybody. Now we have finished steaming the muthiyas and have also fried them. Now this is the time when I have to plate them. These are the fried muthiyas and these are the steamed muthiyas. These fried muthiyas are used in the Gujarati vegetable dish called undio. Now this is well served with either with the sauce, tomato sauce or ketchup, and this green chutney. This goes very well as a side dish for all those who are consuming hot drinks. If you like my this recipe of undio, of muthia, of muthia, kindly subscribe my channel, like my videos, and share my video to as many people and as many friends in your friends circle, and please comment and give your suggestion into the comment box. Thank you.